Hello everyone, today we are going to talking about the privacy rating of EVAFORCE series. We have three types of EVAFORCE: Super Milky EVAFORCE, Sand Blasting EVAFORCE, Cool Jet EVAFORCE. And here is the privacy rating. Privacy rating 0 to 3, no privacy. Medium privacy, privacy rating 4 to 6. Privacy rating high privacy, privacy rating 7 to 10. High privacy. Now let's explain the three privacy rating. The level of privacy for laminated glass depends on the amount and presence of texture within the glass. No privacy. Clear and transparent glass has no texture at all. You can see straight through it. The glass is considered no privacy. Medium privacy. Medium privacy glass has some texture to it and use a combination of translucent or an opaque laminated glasses. Size through this type of windows will be partly obscured. Medium privacy. Medium privacy glass has some texture to it and use a combination of translucent and opaque laminated glass. Size through this type of windows will be partially obscured. High privacy. Opaque, highly textured glass is considered high privacy. When looking through this type of glass, the viewer will only be able to see the shadows and colors. When looking through this type of glass, the viewer will only be able to see shadows and colors. Now we have known the three rating of privacy. No privacy, the glass you can see straight through it. No privacy. Medium privacy. Medium privacy. Size through this type of windows will be partially obscured. High privacy. When looking through this type of glass, the viewer will only be able to see shadows and colors. Now let's see the privacy rating of the EVAFORCE. Super Milky EVAFORCE is completely high privacy. Super Milky EVAFORCE is completely high privacy. Light transmittance less than 1%, has more than 97%. And sand blasting EVAFORCE is high privacy. Light transmittance less than 5%, has more than 95%. The Cool Jet EVAFORCE is high privacy too. Light transmittance less than 25%, has more than 90%. So both three types of the EVAFORCE are high privacy. The Super Milky opaque EVAFORCE is completely high privacy. Almost zero light transmittance. The above data based on the laminated glass 4 mm glass plus 0.38 mm EVAFORCE plus 4 mm glass. If you have questions about the privacy of EVAFORCE, please simply send us an email and you may expect answers in 12 hours. Please contact Peter Lin. Our mail address is cncglass.com. Our mail address is cnceva.com. And you can also contact us on WhatsApp or WeChat app. Thanks very much for watching. Let's review for one more time. Today we're talking about the privacy rating of white EVAFORCE series. We have three types of white EVAFORCE: super milky white EVAFORCE, sandblasting white EVAFORCE, cool jet white EVAFORCE. And here is three ratings, three types of privacy, three range of privacy: low privacy, medium privacy, and high privacy. Low privacy glass, you can see through it. Low privacy glass, you can see through it. Medium privacy glass, light through this type of windows will be partially obscured. Sight through this type of windows will be partially secured. High privacy, when looking through this type of glass, the viewer will only be able to see shadows and colors. When looking through this type of glass, the viewer will only be able to see shadows and colors. All the three types of white EVAFORCE are high privacy. All three types of white EVAFORCE belongs to high privacy range. And the super milky white EVAFORCE is completely high privacy. The super milky white EVAFORCE is completely high privacy. Thank you very much for watching.